Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.
Hi everyone, assalamu alaikum, welcome to another vlog. Today is Wednesday. I keep thinking it's Thursday. Yesterday I kept thinking it was Wednesday, but it's actually Wednesday today. So cool story, bro. Anyway, I am outside of my suppliers right now for my t-shirts and stuff, and I've just come to get the red t-shirts, which is like the final lot of t-shirts that I'm doing. Do you remember a few vlogs ago I was talking about that design that I did? I tried it on a white t-shirt, didn't like it, so it's gonna go on a red t-shirt. So once I have this red t-shirt done, we are going to be able to launch after I've taken some pictures of them and then uploaded them on Instagram and stuff. So excuse me, so exciting times. This is the last lot. Oh my god, I'm so excited to just get it all done and finally be able to share them with you. It's been eventful. This morning has been very eventful. I feel like I haven't slept at all. I went to bed at like 12:15, and then a few hours later Elisa jumped in my bed. She was like, "Mommy, I'm scared." So she jumped in my bed, and then about probably like an hour after that maybe, Isa came into my bed, but he was a bit smelly. Like I was like, "Oh, that's a bit gross. Have you done a poo?" So I looked at him and he was like, he had stuff on him. I was like, what the heck is that? And then I went to check his bed and he had been sick. So so I stripped all of his bed. I took off all the sheets and the covers, everything like that. Changed him and gave him some water, and he was fine. Like he was smiling at me. He was so happy, and he was just like, "Mummy, I want cuddles." So I was giving him loads of cuddles. Just really worried, like what the heck, like he's just been sick. But his nursery has sent a text message around saying that the nursery is closed because there is a sickness bug going around and a lot of the staff are off sick, so he must have that bug as well. So he's not in nursery. Well, he doesn't have nursery today anyway, but he won't be going to nursery tomorrow or probably on Friday either, because I think it has to be 48 hours before, like when they're last sick, before they can go back. And that's not going to be 48 hours, is it? I don't know. But he's like had a really funny tummy. Like his nappies have been very smelly. Oh, so gross. Anyway, with his dad right now, I didn't want to bring him out, so I asked his dad to like watch him while I did all of this stuff. And so that's what he's doing. He's just chilling with his dad. Elisa went to school. I wasn't sure whether I should send her or not, because obviously if Isa's got the bug, then Elisa might have the bug as well. So I was like, I asked my mom, I asked my sister, I was like, shall I send her to school? And then I decided to just ring the school and be like, shall I send her? They were like, yeah, that's fine, you can send her, but if she's ill, like we'll call you and you can come and get her and stuff. So yeah, she's gone to school, Isa's at home, and yeah, it was very eventful. Yeah, he woke up again and he was sick again, but you know, he's really happy. Like he's just smiling and happy and really like cheerful. It's so cute. Like he just wants cuddles. It's really sweet. Anyway, yeah, I'm here now. I'm gonna probably go to Merry Hill, like the outside bit, you know, where like TK Maxx and stuff is, after this. If I do get a chance, I'll go to Primark, but I don't have very long. I've got literally like an hour, 2 hours max. No, not even 2 hours, like an hour and a half, and I'm not even sure how far away Merry Hill is from here, so I need to find out, and then I need to, you know, sort my stuff out. But this is going to take about 20 minutes to come out. He said he's going to bring it to my car, so that's nice. It's all done, it's all sorted. Getting things done feels good. Also, my sister is moving house today. Like she found out yesterday that she's moving today, which is fun times. It's funny. Anyway, I'm gonna get this stuff and then I'm gonna go. But right now, I'm gonna go on my phone and sort out some emails and things like that. So I am home now. My house, flat, I always say house, it's not a house, it's a flat, is an actual mess. Like it's just upside down right now. Let me just turn the volume down on here. Oh no, I just turned it. Anyway, Issa is here. Come here, baby. Come and say hello to the vlog. Yeah, you're watching the fishies. He's watching TV. I am just about to put some washing out and put some washing away so that I can put another load on. And I've just got so much washing. Literally my whole kitchen floor is covered in washing, and that's not even all of it. Like, I haven't even stripped my bed sheets yet, which I need to do because there's probably bits of puke on there, so I need to get rid of all of that, wash it all, and it's just fun times today. I also need to do these red t-shirts. I'm so excited. But yeah, I need to do the red t-shirts and what, Issa? And what? And what? Yeah, I need to do the red t-shirts, but I think I'm gonna just focus on the house today, and then inshallah get t-shirts done tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes. Actually haven't done a lot at all. I've just been chilling with Issa on the bed. You know, when kids are poorly, you kind of just have to go with the flow and do what they want to do. So we were just chilling on the bed for a little while. Now he requested to sit on the sofa and watch TV, so that's what he's doing. He's also playing with some tractors and stuff like that. So I decided to put a wash on. I put another sheet out. Also, I haven't even put the wash in yet, like put them away. So I'm just putting all the washing stuff away now, because I don't, look, that's how much washing I've got to do. That's not even all of it. Like, there's more scattered around the flat, so I still need to collect everything up, and then there's probably about 5 washes gonna be, because there's so many. But I'm about to make myself an iced coffee. This has been out because this is how I make them. Let me show you how. I actually feel a little bit queasy, not gonna lie. Like, I just feel like I don't want to eat anything. So I'm going to show you how to make my iced coffees. I have my frozen espresso cubes, which I have been loving to make iced coffees recently. So I'm going to use the rest of them. I don't think this is enough though, like it's not strong enough for me. It's okay, it's okay. We can work with it. We'll just make a little of coffee, then it's less, and then it's more strong, less of it. So yeah, let's go. Just going to put all of these in, and then we're going to add some milk and some water and some maple syrup. That's how I make my iced coffees. I'm going to fill it with a little bit of milk, so just using a little glass, a little bit of milk, and then I'm going to fill it about halfway with water, and then we're just going to blend it together. So this is what it looks like now. Also gonna add a bit of Canadian maple syrup. This is from Aldi, so gonna add just maybe like just about over a teaspoon, I think that might be. I don't know, you can always add more if you like it sweeter. You can add less if you don't like it sweet, but I just do whatever comes out of the bottle. Oh, this is what my iced coffee looks like. It doesn't look very strong because of all the foam, but it is like a really nice strength. I'm so tired, what the hell? Oh yeah, it's because I hardly slept last night. Ah, this coffee, honestly, you guys need to try it, because it's just so like, it's, even though we hardly used any milk, and we used mainly water, it comes out so creamy because it's like blended, and it comes out foamy as well, which makes it extra creamy. So this is just like the perfect iced coffee for when you're trying to lose weight. So yeah, yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna go and enjoy this now, and then put the clothes away and put the sheet and the top there that I need to put out as well. So I'm gonna do that. Oh yeah, also this is the progress of the dinosaur. It looks quite big, like it's so, it actually looks quite massive now. Look at it, wow. I think I need to add some more water to that. Okay, my kitchen is starting to look good. Woo! Isa, how are you doing?
Dinosaur eat it.
Dinosaur's gonna eat the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Should we put some clothes on you?
No.
Now it is time to put this lot into my room. Are you okay? Did you hurt your foot? Ow! So I'm going to put this lot of clothes away. Well, I'm going to put them in my room anyway. I'm not exactly going to put them away right now, am I? Are you going to eat me?
Yeah.
Here you go. Ow! Ow! So I'm going to put this lot of clothes away, and then I'm going to hang out the sheets on here. Also have another washing load on, which I think you saw me put on, but I'm going to put this away now. So I've done a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of sorting things out. Isa has just got ready. We're about to go get Elisa from school now. And just like that, this little munchkin is home. Say hey. They are doing the usual, having an ice cream and watching Adley after school. So yeah, I'm about to go and finish off sorting out my room. The wash is still going, I think. Finished? I think it just finished. So I might just put that stuff out first. I just realised that I've washed so many sheets and stuff that I don't think I've got anywhere to put them. I only have 2 areas, and I don't think we have enough space to put these on them. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Literally got duvet cover, clothes, blanket, pillowcases. So I've got all of that to put out. I kind of want to do more washing. I haven't got a another error. I was going to pick one up from B&M yesterday, but I didn't. And now I'm regretting it big time. I'm just trying to think of how I can get an error. I can't. So yeah, I'm going to try and find somewhere to put all of these, and then I'm going to sort out my bedroom. I managed to put that one on there, the pillowcase and all the clothes and stuff on there, and then this is where I put the other one. I've got literally no space. Like, I'm not allowed to hang things on the top of doors, otherwise it would have been very easy. Like in the tenancy agreement, it said don't hang anything on the door, anything wet on the doors. So I don't know, I like to, you know, stick to the rules sometimes a little bit. I don't know, I suppose one-offs won't hurt, but still, like, I don't know, I just don't want to. Anyway, Isa stopped me. He was like, come on, let's read a book. So we're gonna read this book. It's half broken, but we're gonna read it anyway, and then I'm gonna go and sort my room out. So guys, I have been very busy, just waiting for my chips to be done. Well, come and get a fork then. Am I your slave?
No, you're not, but you gave me the dinner.
Yeah, so come and get a fork yourself if you want a fork. So I've just put my food in a plate. The kids have already got theirs. It's a little bit hot though. Made chicken crumble with chips. I've got some salads and peas just to get all of my veggies in. Also marinated some chicken put it in the freezer, cut some chicken into like little strips, put it in the freezer. What are you doing?
Playing the fork course for me, Mommy. And where is the big fork?
Probably behind you. Watch it. Be careful.
Behind me.
Yeah? In here. Here you go.
It's here.
Go on, start eating. Good job, guys. I'm doing my chips in the air fryer. I've got some normal chips, like fries, and some sweet potato ones. And they're just getting crisped up a little bit now. This is what my dinner looks like. I'm gonna go and enjoy this now. Cannot wait.
Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.